हाय माय फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग गुड। भाई कैसे हो सारे के सारे? आई थिंक कि सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा होगा, है ना? सब बढ़िया हो। और the purpose of making this vlog is only that we have to pick up a tree from Melbourne and going to Sydney. We have to transport that tree. और इसमें भाई मैं मेलबर्न से एक पेड़ लेके और उसको पिकअप करके हमने जाना है सिडनी। ठीक है, बीच बीच में इंग्लिश में भी कवर कर रहा हूँ, हिंदी में भी। तो सिडनी जाएंगे, देखेंगे कि क्या रहता है, ठीक है, इसमें। और उसको पिक भी हमने ही करना है और डिलीवर भी, अनलोड भी हमने ही करना है, लोड भी हमने ही करना है। ये एक प्राइवेट जॉब है। और इसमें क्या होगा कि मेरे पास जो HR क्रेन ट्रक है ना, जो मैं ड्राइव करता हूँ, तो उसी क्रेन से हमने इसको पिक करना है और उसी से अनलोड करना है। तो वो चीज़ें आप देख सकते हो। अगर आपने ड्राइव करना है, आपका एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, आपको थोड़ी जानकारी चाहिए, तो आपको वो चीज़ें इसमें से मिल सकती हैं। आप इसमें से ग्रैब कर सकते हो कि किस तरह से इस तरह की एक्टिविटी हमें करनी होती है। थैंक यू सो मच। व्लॉग देखो पूरा। और भी बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको मिलेगी, देखेंगे भाई, ठीक है, सिडनी कैसा अपना टूर रहेगा। और मेरा अब तक का ये पहला टूर होगा सिडनी की, जो भी ये पहली होगी, क्योंकि मैंने इससे इतना ड्राइव ना कभी नहीं किया पहले। 200, 250, 350, 400, 450 किलोमीटर्स तक भी ड्राइव किया है कई बार, पर इतना कभी नहीं किया कि मैं मेलबर्न से सिडनी तक जा सकूँ। तो देखेंगे पहला एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहता है। थैंक यू। So friends, first we have to pick it up using the same crane on the truck, and the person who is the owner of this tree is also helping me with it. And if we talk about the cost of transporting a tree from Melbourne to Sydney, so it can really vary based on a few things like the size of the tree, the method of transport which we are using, and the company we are choosing. So generally we might be looking at a few $100s, but it's best to get quote from a couple of transport services to find the best deal. And it's around 3,000 to 5,000. It's my idea. So let's see what will happen. So first of all, we are using these straps. These are already used to keep the tree in the standing position and to hold the basic part, the base of the tree, the clay with it. And we'll be removing the straps from it to remove the clay that is in the roots of this tree. So it's very risky to carry them with the tree, so we'll be removing them first with removing the strap, then the bag, and then the clay, and then we will put the tree alone on the truck. And we will use tires on the floor of the truck, on the tray of the truck.
Just be careful with that one.
This one?
That's holding a lot of weight, so just make sure this is go out more.
So friends, let's pick it up. I am using a remote to operate the crane because manually picking it up is very risky. So nowadays, as everything is advanced, so I have a remote controlled HR crane. So I use remote and stay away from the crane as well as from the load. And it's the best way to keep yourself safe and everyone safe at the site. So first we will be picking it up very smoothly, very gently, so that nothing will damage, and have to think before taking any step because it's very risky, very heavy, maybe around 3 ton of tree. And someone have picked such a tree before?
Sorry?
Like someone have picked the same tree before?
Yeah, we moved it recently. Yeah,
okay.
We took it to the garden show.
In the same way or different way?
Different way.
How?
A lot easier they moved it. Still lying down, but they moved it a lot easier. It's a bigger truck though.
Okay.
Stronger truck. They use it for concrete.
Okay. Those trucks are very strong.
Very
powerful.
Strong. Yeah.
They don't affect with this one. No. They don't worry about these type of things.
No, this is nothing. This is
Yeah,
just
nothing in front of them.
The bag, everything.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
They pick up within the seconds. They don't worry.
It's alright. No, you can get it done. What's the leg, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You hit the leg, the fucking truck will.
Now we are going on the truck. This side will be in the front or
No, at the back.
this one?
Yep, so the tyres are going to be there.
Okay. Huh?
You haven't got weight. You haven't got a scale on the
No. Doesn't have.
$30,000.
It was a bit risky.
Bird's nest.
Oh my God.
I'll still go to Sydney.
He'll be coming back. Where is my home? We'll put this on another tree now.
It's finished. It's finished.
Children,
Put in that one as well.
children has gone to the cities
Sorry?
after their studies.
Oh, they leave.
Like
yeah.
these children have left
Yeah.
their home.
Yeah. On here, one on here, and one down there.
That's also fine.
Do you want to jump on that side? Sneak it, yeah. Did you get it? No, just need to pop it over.
Okay, you want one there and three here? All good? Okay. So my friends, we have loaded the tree on the truck and now we are ready to go to the Sydney. And for the safety of the load, I will tell you a few things we can keep in mind to take care of the load and for the people during the transit. So to keep the load on the truck safe and secure for a long journey like 1,000 kilometers around, so we can follow few steps. The first is proper weight distribution. So always make sure the load is evenly distributed across the truck bed. This helps prevent shifting during the transit. And always use quality tie downs, utilizing strong straps, ropes or chains to secure the load. Ratchet straps are particularly effective because they can be tightened to hold the load in place firmly. And use load blocks or timbers. Always you can also use wooden blocks. These are the material that can be placed under the load to prevent its movement. And this is especially important for the larger items. We have used timbers over today we have not used timbers, I'm sorry, but usually I use timbers because I transport pits, concrete pits. This is my first delivery, I'm transporting a tree. Today we have not used the timbers, we have used tires as you have seen in the video. And always check for the weight limits. Ensure that the total weight of the load does not exceed the truck's capacity. Overloading can lead to unsafe driving conditions, and regular checks. Stop periodically and during the trip to check the load. Make sure everything is still secure and hasn't shifted, and use trap in if necessary. If you are transporting loose items or materials that could be affected by weather, cover them with a tarp to protect them from rain or wind. And the most important thing is drive carefully. Okay. This is a petrol station located in Wallan. Wallan is just about 100 kilometers from Melbourne, and I will fuel up my truck because after this I have to travel a lot. And now after moving my truck from here, just park near it and then we'll go to pay for it and have a coffee before starting the journey. I always like to check the load for the safety, as I have paid for the fuel and grabbed the coffee. Now I'm checking the straps and will be looking at their safety. And these are two people, they were looking at the tree very carefully, like they were trying to identify the tree, and I don't even know that which type of tree it is. I have not taken care inside the paperwork. The view is very nice. If you are planning to travel the regional Australia. Regional Australia is very natural with birds and a lot of other creatures. Hi, how are
Do
you?
you know what kind of tree it is?
No, I don't know its name.
It's either a bottom
Yeah.
tree or a boab.
Maybe
I'm
in the
not sure.
paperwork. So friends, on our route, if you are traveling from Melbourne to Sydney, you will see a lot of natural things on the way. It depends upon which route you are choosing, but I'm telling you the basic things that you will see on a route, you depending upon the route. Particularly if you are opting for the coastal drive via the Princess Highway, you will be treated to stunning coastal views. The route features beautiful beaches and charming seaside towns like Lakes Entrance and Eden. National parks as well. There are several national parks along the way, so you can cover them as well. And as you head towards Sydney, you'll encounter the Great Diving Ranges. These mountain ranges feature lush forest, scenic lookouts, and opportunities for hiking and spotting wildlife. If you are traveling, if you are doing job like me, you can't enjoy all those things. And you can also see a lot of wildlife because Australia is home to unique wildlife, and you might spot kangaroos, koalas and various bird species along your journey. Areas near national parks are particularly good for wildlife viewing, and you will also say, as I had mentioned you about the mountain ranges, and there are some farming regions as well on the same route. The route also takes you through agricultural areas where you can see vast fields and orchards. The Southern Highlands, for instance, is known for its cool climate, vines and picturesque rural landscapes. Apart from it, if you venture into the Blue Mountain region, you will find temperature rainforests which are rich in biodiversity and are known for its stunning waterfalls such as Wentworth Falls. And apart from it, the journey showcases a variety of ecosystems from coastal heathlands to eucalyptus forests and wetlands. Each area has its own unique flora and fauna influenced by the local climate. And along the way, There are numerous lookouts that offer breathtaking views of the landscape. Make sure to stop at places like the Bald Hill lookout for panoramic views of the coastline. So, if you are traveling from Melbourne to Sydney by road, you can see all of these fantastic opportunities, take some experience of Australia's diverse and beautiful nature, and you can make your journey just as rewarding as the destination. Friends, if we talk about the benefits as a truck driver in Australia, I can say that being a truck driver in Australia can be a rewarding career choice. As a truckie, you can earn a decent income, especially if you have experience and drive long distances or transport specialized cargo. Salaries for truck drivers in Australia can vary based on factors like the type of trucking you do, your experience level, and the company you work for. Long-haul truck drivers who transport goods across state lines or cover vast distances often earn more than local or regional drivers. Plus, some trucking companies also bonuses. They give bonuses and incentives for safe driving and meeting delivery deadlines. It's also worth considering that truck drivers in Australia are in demand, so there are opportunities to find work with various companies, brothers. Overall, I can say that being a truck driver in Australia can provide a stable income and the chance to explore the country's diverse landscapes while on the job. It's a profession that offers both financial rewards and the freedom of the open road, my friends. Hi friends, so it's already night and the weather is raining and it's very difficult to drive at night because this was my first time driving so long at night, around 100 or 200 kilometers at night. So it is very difficult when you are driving truck and it's rainy as well. So we are just about to arrive and it's too late, so I'm thinking of booking a motel as well. Have to book a motel and stay there. The video regarding booking a motel is already uploaded on the channel. You can see my previous videos if you like. And that's it. And I'm just looking for some parking spot, have some coffee or something. And as soon as I'll get around some fuel station or something, then I'll wait there for some time. And I request you to please subscribe, share and like my videos if you really enjoyed it, please, and keep supporting. Thank you my friends. And the second part is just being edited, so will be uploaded just after this one. Please watch this video completely and watch the other one as well. If you want to make or give me some suggestions, most welcome. Thank you so much my friends. Okay, good night.